Hello student, welcome to economic class. Today we'll discuss the remaining part of your expenditure method from national income of macroeconomy second chapter. So this is the lecture 2 of expenditure method. In this video we'll discuss two things. First one in your national income is precaution and numerical solution of expenditure method, and secondly we'll discuss numerical solution of income method and expenditure method simultaneously in a single question. Yes, so we'll discuss one by one. So first we'll discuss, I hope that you have gone through the first lecture of expenditure method, and also you have gone through value added method and income methods. You will be preparing good and you are working hard, I hope that. So today we'll discuss these final things. This is final video and the last video of your national income. Now you'll discuss, or if any doubt you can ask me. I'll clear your doubt and practice the numerical of national income. So precaution of expenditure method first we'll discuss. Here precaution of expenditure method. First one, expenditure on second hand goods should not be included. I am also saying in every method of the national income the second hand good should not be included, but the commission of brokers commission or brokerage of the dealer will calculated or included in national income, but the value of expenditure on second hand goods should not be included here. Expenditure on purchase of bonds and shares should not be included here. In second, this bond and shares should not be included. Third, all government expenditure on transfer payments such as unemployment benefits, old age pension, scholarship, etc. should not be included. Gifts, unemployment benefits, like last year there was debate regarding the universal basic income, UBI, universal basic income. It means there was the provision, those who are unemployed, the government will pay the minimum income. So this income will not calculated in the national income. Now suppose COVID-19 pandemic going on, and in this situation many state government of India or the many countries government, they have planned, they have prepared to give direct transfer of money to the citizen, where the people those who are suffering from pandemic and those who are living outside of the native place, they may get directly money and spend it. So in India also, one of the example, in Calcutta, the West Bengal government plan made it, that is your state government COVID-19 portal. Those who are registered, means though who are belong to West Bengal, if they that person and they living outside of West Bengal and they are unable to going due to the lockdown their own state, in this case the CM giving transfer payment money to the registered candidate of the state, that income of the person will not included in your national income. Clear? So this is the expenditure. This expenditure by the government is not included in national income. Fourth, expenditure on all intermediate goods and services like raw materials should not be included. Student, in all the raw materials, that is coming under the production boundary. And what are the expenditure on raw materials? It will not calculated in national income because this is not the final goods. Fifth, lastly, imputed value owner occupied houses should be included. So this was also I have discussed in before videos. Further I am explaining it. Imputed value owner occupied house should be included. It means if a person has 3-story building, one of the floor occupied by house owner and other 2 floor given as rent, the income of the house or the rent of the floor of the house owner will calculate as income. Simultaneously, which floor being occupied by house owner, the value of that floor will also include as a national income. So this is the imputed value of owner occupied houses should be included. So next, starting from this question, we'll discuss the numerical values, numerical examples of expenditure method and income method also. Okay, so first we'll discuss this is the expenditure method. From the following transaction, find out the net national product NNP at market price. The question is giving here particulars here in this table, particulars and the rupees in crores. First one, household expenditure on consumption is 10 lakhs. Government expenditure on consumption is 1,25,000. Gross capital formation is 2,50,000. Depreciation is 60,000. Export 60,000. Import 90,000. And lastly, the net income earned from abroad is 7,500. So student, when we will calculate net national product at market price, then we'll get we have to recall the formula for calculating net national product at market price. Net national product or NNP at MP equal to GDP at MP plus net factory income from abroad minus depreciation. This is so. First you have to calculate GDP at MP. So GDP at MP here. What are the thing will come in GDP MP? GDP at MP, it will come that is household expenditure on consumption means 10 lakhs plus government expenditure on consumption 1,25,000 plus gross capital formation 2,50,000 plus export minus import 90,000. Then we'll do the sum total here. It will 14,35,000. Okay, plus here the net income from 14,35,000 minus 90,000 will further deduct it. Then we'll get here 13,45,000 is your GDP at MP, and according to the formula of net national product at MP, GDP at MP is 13,45,000 plus net factor income from abroad is your 7,500 minus depreciation is your 60,000. If we will calculate this thing 7,500 minus 60,000, then it will minus 52,000. So directly we will deduct from GDP at MP 13,45,000 minus 52,600 52,600. Then we'll get here 12,92,500. Here we something is wrong. 75,000 minus 60,000. You do minus here. 7,500, and this is means this will 60. You just calculate this thing and you'll get the answer will here 12,092. Sorry, 12,92,500. You just calculate 7,500 minus 60,000. You do in your copy and get this thing. This is the formula, and the final answer will 12,92,500 crores. So now in second question 2, or in second question, calculate GNP at MP, gross national product at market price, and net domestic product at factor cost with the help of the information given below. So student, we discuss here particulars here and rupees in crores. First one, private final consumption expenditure 80,000, change in stock 20,000, gross fixed investment 30,000, depreciation 5,000, public consumption expenditure 20,000, public investment expenditure 10,000, net factor income from abroad minus 5,000, indirect tax 3,000, subsidies 1,500. In solution, we'll first calculate GNP at MP. GNP at MP. So GNP at MP, gross national product at market price. The formula is here: private final consumption expenditure plus public consumption expenditure plus gross fixed investment plus change in stock plus net factor income from abroad plus public investment expenditure. So here you just look, private final consumption expenditure 80,000 plus public consumption expenditure 20,000 plus gross fixed investment 30,000 plus change in stock 20,000. Okay, change in stock 20,000 plus net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad here minus 5,000 plus minus in bracket minus 5,000 plus public investment expenditure 10,000. So we'll calculate here. This will have, you do the sum total 1,60,000 in plus and minus 5,000. So totally we'll get 1,55,000 crores of your gross national product at market price. So then we'll calculate the NDP at factor cost, net domestic product at factor cost. So formula is here: net domestic product at factor cost equal to gross national product at market price minus depreciation minus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect taxes. So the formula of net indirect taxes means indirect tax minus subsidies. So here GNP at MP, we first got the GNP at MP 1,55,000 minus depreciation. Look here, depreciation 5,000. Then according to formula, net factor income from abroad. This is minus 5,000. Okay, minus net indirect tax. Net indirect tax. See here, net indirect tax. The formula is of net indirect tax is indirect tax minus subsidy, means 3,000 minus 1,500. The finally 3,000 minus 1,500 means 1,500. So Here 5,000 cancel, and 3,000 minus 1,500 we'll deduct here, then we get 1,500. So finally we'll calculate 1,55,000 minus 1,500. The answer will 1,53,500 of your NDP, or net domestic product at factor cost, by expenditure method of your national income. So in third examples, the following question will discuss. From the following data, calculate net national product at factor cost by A, income method, in B, expenditure method. The same question, but we'll calculate national income here by using two methods. One is your income method, another one is your expenditure method. In particulars and rupees in crores, look here. First one, current transfer from the rest of the world is 1,000. Government final consumption expenditure 10,000. Wage and salary is 38,000. Dividend 5,000. Rent 2,000. Interest 1,05,000. Net domestic capital formation 5,000. Profit 8,000. Employers contribution to social security scheme 2,000. Net export minus 5,000. Net factor income from abroad minus 3,000. Consumption of fixed capital 4,100. Private final consumption expenditure 40,000. And finally the last one, net indirect taxes 300. So we'll make it solution. First we'll calculate in income method the national income. Net national product at factor cost, NNP at FC. NNP, net national product at factor cost. NNP at FC means this is national income. So NNP at FC calculate by an income method. So we'll calculate formula. Look the formula here. Net national product at factor cost equal to wages and salaries plus rent plus profit plus employer contribution to the social security scheme plus interest minus net indirect taxes. Further I am repeating this thing. Net indirect tax, its formula is direct tax minus subsidies. So look here, wage and salaries is here 38,000 plus rent plus profit. Rent 2,000, profit 8,000. Look, 38,000 plus 2,000 plus 8,000 plus employers contribution 2,000. This is then interest 1,500. Interest 1,500 minus net indirect tax. Net indirect tax here, net indirect tax last in 14 number 300. So 1,500 minus 300, will calculate these things. 38,000 plus 2,000 plus 8,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,500 minus 300 will calculate. Then we'll get 51,500 minus 300, and finally the answer will 51,200 is your 200 crores is your net national product at factor cost, or national income of as according to your income method. This is all the wage and salary income, rent also income, profit also income, employers contribution to social security, this is also income, interest minus net indirect, this is also income. So in the income method we calculate the net national income, okay, by putting these values. Then second, we'll calculate national income by expenditure method. Same question. Look, national income by expenditure method. Here the formula, look here. First, private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure plus net domestic capital formation plus net export minus net indirect taxes plus net factor income from abroad. So look here, private final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure is 40,000. Okay. Then your government final consumption expenditure is 10,000. Here look, government final consumption expenditure is your 10,000. Like this, all the value I will put it here. Net domestic capital formation 5,000. Then net export minus indirect taxes. Your net export minus 500 minus 300 in net indirect taxes plus net factor income from abroad plus net factor income from abroad minus 3,000. Net factor income minus 3,000, net export 5,000, these things. So answer will here 51,000. Sorry, answer will here 51,200 crores. 51,200 crores. 40,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000 minus your net and export, this is 500 minus 300 net indirect taxes plus minus 3,000 your net factor income from abroad. After calculating, we will get finally the answer 51,200 crores of your national income or by expenditure method. So student, I hope that you will follow all the things, practice repeatedly by taking different type of question problems, make you solution by taking the numbers of question, then you will get easy to calculate the national income. We have already completed all the discussed many things of national income. We have discussed types of goods, 3 method, income method, value added method, expenditure method. All 3 methods we have discussed. I hope that you don't have any doubt. If any doubt, then you can ask me. Today we'll complete your national income. You go through the books, follow the NCERT, and whatever the supplementary books you need to practice, then you can take and watch the video. But don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. For today, this is Tumus. Thank you. Have a nice day.